In this video, we'll see the prepositions and the relative pronouns. So if you don't know these relative pronouns now, I really invite you to have a look at the videos that we've been doing, because it will be difficult to really understand the concept of this lesson otherwise. So to be more precise, in fact, in this video, we'll only cover à côté de, because it's a series of videos, and then in each video, we try to focus on one preposition. So this will be à côté de for this one. As usual, we'll cover féminin singulier, masculin singulier, féminin pluriel et masculin pluriel. So let's start with the féminin singulier, and of course, so à côté de is the starting point. We want to use this preposition. We'll have two categories. So the first one will be for the living and animated things. So look at the example here. La personne à côté de qui je suis assis s'appelle Jean. In that situation, la personne, so as you can see, it's feminine, it's singular, la personne. Then it's a living thing because it's a human being. So we'll go for à côté de, and then we'll just put the pronoun qui. So it will be really simple, and I will give you a tip for the rest of the video. For this category, whether it's masculine, feminine, plural, singular, it will be always qui. So this category will be quite simple. It's the second one that will be a bit more tricky. So, la personne à côté de qui je suis assis s'appelle Jean. Now, let's look at the second category, and we're talking in that case about animated and not animated things, but we're not talking about people. This is really important. La voiture à côté de laquelle je suis garé est rouge. La voiture à côté de laquelle je suis garé est rouge. So in that situation, la voiture, feminine, singular. It's not a living thing. So we go for à côté de preposition, and because it's not a living thing, I will use the relative pronoun, feminine singular, laquelle. Laquelle, so feminine singular, because obviously la voiture is feminine singular. La voiture à côté de laquelle je suis garé est rouge. So let's have a look now at the masculin singulier. Masculin singulier, so à côté de, first category, living, animated. It will be simple because it will be exactly like I told you. Le chien à côté de qui l'enfant lit est vraiment beau. Le chien, well, it's a living thing because it's an animal. À côté de qui l'enfant lit est vraiment beau. So once again, masculine, singular, à côté de, and then you just put qui l'enfant lit est vraiment beau. Then the second category, animated and not animated, but once again, not living. Le fauteuil à côté duquel tu te trouves est très ancien. Alors, let's have a look at the thing now. Le fauteuil, masculine, singular, so no question about that. Now, you've been studying French for a while, so you've been already noticing that when we have de followed by le, it will become du. When we have de followed by les, it will become des. So in that case, normally it should be à côté de, and then it should be lequel. Remember, the pronoun relative for the masculine singular is lequel. And so because we have de followed by le, we will merge them and it will become duquel. So that's the reason why you don't have à côté de lequel, but you have à côté duquel. It was not a problem for the feminine because if you remember, de la, it's totally okay. De le becomes du. De les, it will become des. So we end up with this sentence. Le fauteuil à côté duquel tu te trouves est très ancien. Le fauteuil à côté duquel tu te trouves est très ancien. So let's have a look now at the feminine plural, le féminin pluriel. Alors, le féminin pluriel à côté de, première catégorie, living animated, pas de problème. Les personnes à côté de qui nous sommes sont vraiment sympathiques. And this category is really not problematic. Les personnes, feminine plural, but it doesn't in fact impact anything. You just need to use qui after your preposition. So, les personnes à côté de qui nous sommes sont vraiment sympathiques. This category really is not problematic. Second one is a bit, well, more challenging. So animated and not animated here it comes. Les maisons à côté desquelles vous êtes garés sont très récentes. So les maisons, in that case, it's feminine plural, à côté de. And you will have to combine it with lesquels, remember. And as I told you previously, de plus les will become desquels. Okay? So remember, à côté desquels. Les maisons à côté desquelles vous êtes garés sont très récentes. Et la dernière catégorie, and the last one, it will be masculin pluriel. Masculin pluriel à côté de. À côté de, living animated, first possibility, les hommes. À côté de qui tu as attendu sont mes collègues. Les hommes, masculin pluriel, à côté de, and then you go for qui. I mean, this one is clearly extremely simple, whether it's masculine, feminine, singular, plural, it will be qui all the time. Tu as attendu sont mes collègues. Les hommes à côté de qui tu as attendu sont mes collègues. Allez, the last one, animated and not animated. Les arbres à côté desquels coule le ruisseau sont magnifiques. Les arbres, so same thing here, masculine plural, à côté de, and it should be lesquels, de plus les will become desquels. Les arbres, à côté desquels coule le ruisseau, sont magnifiques.